So you'll never believe this. It's the morning after. The damn bird is back on the wing mirror of the car. It sees itself in the mirror, it thinks it's a rival bird, and it's having a go. Same bird as yesterday morning. And I mean, I'm standing not maybe 10 feet from it, and it's way more consumed in seeing off its rival than it is having something like me standing 10 feet from it. It's flipping amazing. I've heard of March hares acting crazy. Is there a December bird? Just the weirdest thing. Well, didn't go that far. Funny. I'm away at work now.